Many of us have a habit of cleaning the ears after a bath. Now we put in something like buds into the ear and we proclaim that we have cleaned the ear. Is it right? Are we doing the correct thing? Let's see in today's video. Hi friends, I am Dr. Karamat and this is Scientific Doctor channel. In this channel, you will see videos on simple health topics. If you like to see such videos, kindly subscribe to this channel. Today's short video is on cleaning of ears and do you need to use buds. First of all, we must understand what is ear wax. Now most of us say there is wax, that's why I clean my ears. Ear wax is a normal secretion in the external ear secreted by ceruminous glands. So that's why it is also called as cerumen. And is the wax abnormal? No, it is there for a normal purpose. It acts like a lubricating agent. It is a water repellent. It tries to keep the water out of the ear. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties also. So with all these good properties, do you need to remove the wax? The second aspect is ear is a self-cleaning organ. Studies have been done to prove if you keep some ink-like object, some pigmented object inside the ear canal, in 6 to 8 weeks, that object will come out of it. The pigment will come out of the external ear. So ear is a self-cleaning organ because there is cell migration. Because of this cell migration, along with it, it just transports all the debris and dead cells out of the ear. That's why you sometimes see some debris in the external part of the ear. You think there is more inside, you try to clean, actually you are doing more harm because the debris has already come out. You just allow it to come out. Having seen that ear is a self-cleaning organ and wax is a normal entity, we must have understood putting earbuds is an absolutely wrong practice. So what we are doing is we are damaging the cell migration and also pushing the wax in. So sometimes the doctor says whenever we go with ear pain, there is a lot of wax and there is impacted wax. Yes, for some people this cell migration may not happen, and for some others we might have pushed or damaged the ears so that the wax gets impacted. In those times we have to visit the doctor, may liquefy the wax with medicines, or ENT doctors may do some simple procedures to remove this excess impacted wax. And more often when you have a sensation that there is something inside the ear and you try to clean it, it is not that there is wax. More often it is a result of the skin having an eczema, that is a skin reaction, and so you have a itching and you feel like cleaning something. Again you have to visit the doctor to get the treatment for that. So in essential, putting something in the ear, whether it is earbuds or something even more dangerous like pin or pencils, is harmful to the ears, and there is absolutely no harm in having a wax. So usage of buds should totally be avoided. If you like this video, kindly share it among your friends and relatives. Till we meet again, bye.